futures. Look at this one more time, please. Dow's up 750 points. And the NASDAQ, that's the real standout here, 461 points higher. That's better than 4%. Bill Baruch is the lucky guy to be our market watcher this morning. All right, Bill, were you expecting inflation to ease like this?
I was looking for it to come in, maybe not so much like this here today. I'm excited. I'm happy to see this. But the market does have some damage to work through, and a lot of the resistance in the S&P actually aligns with the September number. Well, in September when the August number is released, right around 39.25. We got to get through 39.25. If we can do that in the S&P, I think path of least resistance could be higher for a bit. In the NASDAQ, similar area, 11,750. So, remember, midterm elections, 6 months after the midterms and 12 months after the midterms. The S&P has never been lower, and only once since 1950 has it been lower after 3 months.
So you're on
2002,
board.
it was down 7.8%.
You're on board with this rally. You like to see it, but you're not so sure about how far it's going to go. Next question. In your opinion, does the Fed now become more dovish because of a 7.7% reading on inflation?
I don't think this changes their path. I think what it could secure, they should stay with 50 in December. And they got to take advantage of this situation here as they can. But what it could do is lower the rising terminal rate. So you saw in September, they were looking at a terminal rate about 4.6%. That's back out above 5% right now. And if inflation was hot, you would be looking at a terminal rate maybe as high as 5.5%. So what this could do is bring the terminal rate back in a little bit and allow them to hike 50 and then maybe just one more 25 before allowing it to sink in.
Okay. Another quick one. I've got about 45 seconds left. I want to talk cryptos. Plummeting after Binance backed out of the deal to bail out FTX. They're not plummeting this morning, but they're sharply lower. This is the collapse of FTX. Is it also the collapse of crypto, in your opinion?
There's a lot of damage. There's a lot of sentiment damage, technical and sentiment. It's going to have to work through it. It's take a little while to do that. I heard you mention Sequoia on the open. I think from the numbers, it's about a 3% loss for them. So, if you're managing your risk properly and you're diversifying, this isn't that big of a deal. We got to find out, as the shore goes out, who's swimming naked. And there's going to be some damage out there. Yeah. There's going to be some banks that are going to be hurt. There's a lot of conspiracy theories on how this went down. It's exciting to watch, but just kind of got to watch it unfold.
It's not exciting if you happen to hold cryptos which you cannot liquidate. Bill Baruch, thanks very much, sir. See you again real soon.